Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will explore the new update on how to view pages from a site in your history using Google Chrome on your PC. This feature is incredibly useful for revisiting websites you've previously explored. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. If you don't have it open yet, simply find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and click to launch it. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You will see three vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select History. You will see another option that says History again. Click on that. This action will take you to a detailed page displaying all of your browsing history. Now that you're on the History page, it's time to find the specific link you want to revisit. Scroll through the list, or use the search bar at the top of the page if you remember any keywords related to the website. Once you locate the link, look to the right of it for another set of three dots. Click on these dots next to the link you are interested in. This will open a small menu with additional options. Finally, select More from this site from that menu. This feature allows you to view all pages from that specific site that you visited in your browsing history. It's a fantastic way to quickly access related content without having to search for it all over again. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently navigate through your browsing history and find pages from specific sites with ease. This updated feature enhances your browsing experience by making it easier to revisit content you may have forgotten about. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on using Google Chrome and other tech tips.